Good afternoon, everyone. This is Larry Carson and Carl Anderson, and today we would like to show you the new Scout 530 LXF. This is the first one that has been put in the water, and we're here at Charleston Harbor Marina today and would like to just show you some of the great features of this boat. As we walk down, you can see right through the boat because we have both of the platform patios engaged in the down position. As you see, Carl is standing out off the side of the boat, and the other side does the same thing. This particular boat is powered by quad 425 horse Yamaha outboard engines. Let's move through here, guys. As you'll see, even on the rear swim platform, you can walk all the way across the back of the boat. There are no engine wells to be any kind of obstruction. You also have two rear entry gates, depending on which side of the boat you are docked at the marinas. And as you can see here, we use the larger fender so we can even deploy our swim patio over here on the starboard side. Hardware and the size of the hardware they use for all the hinging. Just take a look, guys. It's so well done. You've got the rear seating back here on the boat. Just an enormous amount of cockpit space. You've got your bar stools that swing out and you can close them in tight. This one has a summer kitchen with the grill, refrigerator. We've got the wet bar sink. Got an ice bin full of ice, guys. You can also transition up to the hard top from right in here. They've got steps built in all the way down. And we do have the articulating rocket launchers. They will fold in the straight back position and allow you to extend a hard sunshade out over the back end of the boat to shade this entire rear area. Notice the pull-out sprayers. Very easy to get to everything here, guys. Someone comes in and out of the water, wants to rinse off. Got a spill or anything on the deck.
Now let's transition a little bit further forward. Thank you, Larry. So we got a great entertaining space back in the cockpit, and the accommodations only continue as we get further forward. Tons of lounge and seating space here under the nice cover area of the large hardtop. We have a tremendous amount of natural light, so you get a lot of good running shots. See the stars at night with the retractable roof. Seats that face forward, seats that face aft. We've got integrated touch screens from Garmin into the port side passenger backrest. Check out the amount of coverage we've got with the large glass windows all throughout the center console. Your helm seat and passenger seat have adjustable thigh-rise bolsters and armrests that come down. We've got twin 24-inch touchscreens from Garmin, AC at the helm, cup holders, and storage beneath. All of your systems, nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, C-zone switching, integrated speakers up into the hardtop. This is an awesome, awesome boat. We'll transition down into the cabin.
And guys, as we move forward, we will have a seating area, dinette. This also drops down. You can put a filler cushion on it and it'll give you one more sleeping area on the boat. As we transition forward, you've got your master forward with plenty of light, nice flat screen TV. And as we turn around, you've got your entryway into your head area. And here, then we'll move into the shower with a sit-down marble seating area. Great shower head, natural light from the top. The luminescent door allows more light in there. Beautifully done. Lots of storage cabinets in the forward berth area. Now as we transition back, they even have an integrated wine cooler. on the boat, as well as refrigeration drawer system. We've got refrigerator and then freezer on the bottom. And tell us more about the galley.
So we've got a nice 2-burner cooktop here, wet bar sink, large integrated Vizio's flat screen TV, microwave. We got a nice storage area here. No wasted space. We've got nice shelving here for towels. Oh, sorry, Larry. And we do have an aft stateroom for additional guests.
Very well done. Got recessed lighting up in the ceiling. One more thing we need to point out, all the natural light coming through this boat and into the cockpit, so you do not feel like you're closed in and in the cave on this particular boat.
And you do have a nice way to separate yourself from your guests on the 530 LXF.
Nice privacy door, solid door. Many boats would use a curtain. Air conditioner vents are integrated in and hidden nicely, instead of having plastic or aluminum vents.
Now let's move forward into the bow. The amount of seating space and storage space on this boat is really spectacular. Plenty of room for 3 people to sit very comfortably on the chase lounge of the 530 LXF. Everybody's got an armrest. Everybody has a nice console area with cup holders. Incredibly smooth and soft material, contoured for lumbar support. Big JL Audio subwoofers forward. Identical storage that's duplicated on both sides. Really deep storage. The tables are powered. They can move up and down, so you can move them flush, or you've got a nice area for alfresco dining with a lot of space for all of your food items, drinks, but just a lot of comfortable seating area as well. Lots of deep storage beneath all of these seats. That's all drained.
Get the hinges, guys. I mean, the hardware is well done.
And everything's duplicated over to the port side. Great entertaining area, more speakers forward. There's really no place where you're not going to be able to hear all the booming music. Of course, we've got the Anger windlass with pedal controls, in addition to the controls you have at the helm area. Just an incredible, entertaining boat, a very versatile boat, and one that we're excited to have and bring here in Charleston very soon. For Larry Carson, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax of Charleston on Daniel Island. Be sure to give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you.